Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the new chapter 5 PHP function and array. So, before we are starting this chapter, just we can revise the what are the main functions for writing the PHP program. So, the first one is we have to start the PHP program with open brace, question mark, and PHP, right? And we want to end the PHP program with question mark, close brace. So this is the main first point for writing the PHP program. The next or second point is we have to write echo. So echo means to get the output we are using this echo. To print the output we are using echo. So if in echo if you're writing hi, in the output we will get hi. So inside the echo what we are writing will display in the output. So in echo if you're writing good morning, good morning, then in the output we will get good morning. Okay, so like this. Then the third point is we have to end the statement with semicolon. Okay, so these are the main functions for writing the PHP program. Okay guys, so now we can see what is PHP function and what are the arrays we are using in PHP. First we can study about the PHP functions. So what is functions? So just I can say one example. If I want to go to school, that means I want to get ready to go to the school, means what are the functions I will do? I will wake up at morning, then I will have the breakfast, have my breakfast, then I will take bath, like that. These are the set of operations or set of tasks I will do before I go to the school, right? Like that, function means it is nothing but a program that performs a specific operations or tasks like insert, execute, delete calculations is known as function. So what is functions? It is a segment in a program that perform a specific operations like insert, execute, delete, calculate, etc. are known as the function. Okay, so a function, it may be a subroutine or it may be a procedure in a program. So function means it is a subroutine or a procedure. Procedure means for writing a program function is compulsory. It only the function is the main thing in for writing any programming language. For in any programming languages, function only decide what calculations we want to do. That means all the calculations or operations are done by the functions. Okay, then we have divide the functions into three types. What are they? User defined function, then predefined function, and parameterized functions. So the first one is the user defined function. So what is meant by user defined function? So user defined function means here in PHP, user defined function gives a privilege to user to write own specific operations inside of existing program module. So user defined means that means that user can define the functions. I can able to write my own operations, what calculation I want to do in the program. I itself can able to give the itself I can able to write the function, write the operation what I need. So that is called the user defined function. So what is user defined function? That means here the user write the own specific operation inside the programming model, inside the program. I can itself, if I am the user, then I can itself write the operation what I want to do inside the program. So okay, so this is called the user defined function. So there in user defined functions we have two functions. What are they? Function declaration and function calling. So we have two tasks in user defined function. One is function declaration, the next one is the function calling. So what is function declaration? The one main thing for function, that means so one examples I can say, the difference for finding the difference between the function declaration and function calling means the same examples. If I want to go to school, I want to do set of operations, right? So the function was, what are the main function? I want to go to school. It is the main declaration. It was the it was, I have to go to school. It was the main function. Okay, so that is the function declaration. And what is function calling means? Yes, I have to go to school, but not all the time. I no need to go to school at night time. I no need to go to school at Sundays. That means I have to go to school only when I need. That means function calling means here the function will be executed while it needs. While it was called time only, the function will be executed. So these are the major difference between the function declaration and function calling. So in function declaration, the main keyword we are using was the function. So for all the function, while we are writing the program, if it is the function means we want to write the keyword function. In all program, what keyword we want to write? Function. So if then this function name means it was the name, then we have to write the programs. Okay, I will give you another example. So see this example here, we are writing the function. We want for everything, we want to start with the function, right? Function, and the function name was greetings is the function name, and we are writing the codings. Okay, so for all the function names we have to start it with the function. So this is function, that means function declaration. So once again, the syntax for writing the function declaration is function is the keyword, then we want to write the function name. What name we are giving, we can write in the name, in the place of function name. Then what we want to execute, we can write inside this parenthesis. Okay, these are the syntax for writing the function declaration. Then function calling. So function calling, already I said, it will be executed at the time we will call the functions. Okay, so function declaration part will be executed by the call to the function. While we are calling the function will be executed. So what is the syntax for writing this function calling? Is the function name. So function name is the syntax for writing function calling. Here having no function name, this is the syntax for writing the function calling. So they are given here one simple example. We have to start the programs with the open slash question mark php, right? Then the function, we want to start with the keyword function, and the function name is insert message. Okay, insert message is the function name. What's the function name here? Insert message. So then we are giving echo. Inside the echo we are giving the list like student details inserted successfully. So this inside the echo will be displayed in the output, right? In the output screen we will get what was inside the echo, we will get in the output screen. So that is student details inserted successfully will be get in the output screen. Then we are closing the parenthesis, and then we are giving the function name, that is we call insert message. So what is the function named here? Insert message is the function name here. So just we are calling that function, so it was displayed. We are writing here insert message. Okay, then we are closing question mark, close parenthesis. So this is about the function calling and function declaration. Then we are going to study about the parameterized function. So what is parameterized function means? The informations can be stored between function declaration and function calling is called the parameterized function. That means is we need some informations, that record informations was sharing between this function declaration and function calling part is called the parameterized function. So here the parameter is also called as arguments. It is like variables. It can be the arguments or lights like variables. So we can see one example program here. So here in this program we have only one argument, that is dollar $s. We know we want to write the variable name with dollar. We have to start the variable name with the dollar symbol, right? So just we are going to start the program like open brace php question mark php, then function is the keyword, then school name is the function name, then dollar is name is the variables we are declaring inside the inside the function name. Okay, inside the parameters we are giving the variable name, that is dollar name. So echo was we are given as dollar name dot in Tamil Nadu. Okay, we were giving the beer. Beer was given to give the break, that means to break the line we are giving the tag like beer. Then we are writing school name like Government Higher Secondary School, Madurai Government Higher Secondary School. This was what is the out. This program was about the 5 school names. We want to display 5 school names. So for that displaying 5 school names, we are writing this program. These are the schools in Tamil Nadu, 5 different schools in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so in the output we will get what we will get: Government Higher Secondary School Madurai, Government Higher Secondary School Trichy, Government Higher Secondary School Chennai, and Government Higher Secondary School Kanchipuram, and Government Higher Secondary School Tirunelveli is the output we will get in the output screen. Okay guys, so this is about the parameterized function. So today we learn what is function. That means a set of task that is performed inside a function program is called the functions. And we have 3 different types of function: user defined function, predefined function, and parameterized function. So user defined function means here the user itself can write their own function or own operation inside a program is called the user defined function. In this user defined function we have 2 tasks: one is function declaration and function calling. So the syntax for writing the function declaration is: first we have to write the keyword function, then function name, then what we have to execute it want to be right within the parenthesis. Then we are writing function calling. Here the syntax was the function name. Okay, then we are studying the parameterized function. So the parameterized function means the information which are sharing between the function declaration and function calling is called the parameterized function. So here they are given an example like here we have to write and any 5 schools of Tamil Nadu, and here is the program. For that we are declaring the variable name inside the uh, water sorry function name. So here we are declaring only one variables. Okay, so this is how we are defining the functions. Okay guys, in the next class we can see the array in PHP. Thank you students.